So this is gonna be my first impressions ever. I've never had this sandwich, so I'm gonna give you my first impression after first bite. Hey guys, beautiful day here in Daly City, California. The sun has just opened up, breaking the fog. Anyway, I was on my way to getting my first Popeye's chicken sandwich on Saturday a few days ago. Today's Monday. And the line was out the door. So I waited like 20 minutes. As soon as it was my turn, they ran out of chicken sandwiches. What a bummer. But I got like $50 worth of chicken anyways. But today's a Monday. I think it's gonna be less busy. It's 11:40, and I'm sure they won't run out. I hope the line's not as long as on Saturday, since it's not the weekend. So let's go ahead and see if I can go pick up a chicken sandwich. We have a Popeyes, one location here in Daly City. Let's go and find out. So I got the last 2 of the 6 they have left. That was an ordeal. I waited almost 40 minutes. When the guy in front of me was ordering, they were putting out signs, "We're out of chicken sandwich." I saw the girl going out and I'm like, no, not again. And then I walked up, they still has 6 sandwiches and they only let you order 2, so I ordered 2. Hi guys, luckily I got the chicken sandwiches. I got the classic and the spicy. Let's go and take a look. All right, let's go ahead and open one of these. Wow. As you can see, this is a spicy version. You can tell by the sort of reddish. It's got pickles, it's sauce, sort of mayo sauce, chicken in the middle, and sort of really mushy bun here. Real nice and soft. So this is gonna be my first impressions ever. I've never had this sandwich, so I'm gonna give you my first impression after first bite. I'm gonna need a few more bites. Hold on. All right, my first impressions. It's pretty good. I don't know if it's worth waiting in line for 40 minutes. Anyway, let me go ahead and eat a little bit more. It's very crunchy, lots of spice, and definitely the pickles really help. Normally I don't like pickles in my burgers or sandwiches, but this is definitely an exception. The pickle really brings out the flavor of the chicken. It's actually pretty good. Now, let's go ahead and open up the classic. As you can see here, it's got mayo, same thing, pickles, just not spicy version of it. All right, here's the classic. All right, classic. Not bad either. Not as spicy, obviously. I think I actually like the spicy version more. Let me go ahead and finish the sandwich for you. Very good. Almost done. All right, my final review thoughts. My first thoughts on this. I think it's a great sandwich, but I think it's been overhyped. I don't think it's actually worth to get in line to get this. I mean, if you don't have to get in line to get it, I think it's a good, great sandwich. I wouldn't consider this something like In-N-Out. All right, In-N-Out, I would wait 30 minutes to eat. But this, I would say, it comes a little short of that. I feel like it's a great sandwich. It's just been overhyped. You know, I'm just being honest to you guys. I don't think the hype lives up to the hype. I mean, it's a great sandwich, but I don't think it's worth waiting more than 10 minutes for this sandwich. All right, I would wait 40 minutes for an In-N-Out burger. I don't think it's there. So if you want to get hands on one of these, I had to wait 40 minutes and they ran out of the sandwich right after I ordered it. I would say just wait till the hype dies down in about a week. In probably like a month, there won't be a line at Popeyes anymore because everybody tried it. Right now, everybody just wants to try it, and that's, I think, what the hype is about. But I think it will die down. It's not like In-N-Out. It's just hype driven right now. It's all hype. I'm sorry to disappoint you. It's a great sandwich, but it's overhyped at the moment. Anyway, have a great day. And as always, stay on Popeye's chicken sandwiches. Not bad.